Once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. So guys, today it's a simple juice recipe. This is from down under, out of Jamaica. Alright, so we're gonna make some traditional natural pineapple juice. Alright, and all you need is just few ingredients. You can use the fresh pineapple, but you know me are from Jamaica, we love when with things well ripe, so this need a little bit, you have to be ripe a little bit more. All right, so here I have some frozen pineapple. What I do, I buy them like this, and like now it's winter, I stock up on them, peel them, freeze them, and then I get them like this. All right, when they are cheap, when they're on sale. Okay guys, I'm gonna use one lime. You can use one lemon. I just cut it in half, and I have about 2 pieces of this size of ginger cut up. I'm gonna let it have lots of ginger flavor in it. There you have it. And I have 1 cup of sugar. All right, and I'm gonna use some water over here and my blender. That's it guys. You can add whatever you want, but this is just some natural pineapple juice, nothing else. All right, so I'm gonna and this is about half of pineapple cut up. You know, we cut out the inside, a little piece of hard part, cut off all them part there, and that's it. You know, I go already. So basically this is frozen, but once I put the water to it, it's gonna be fine. I'm gonna do 2 sets up. Maybe I should blend it all at once. We'll see if the blender can hold. If the blender can hold, we blend up everything one time. I think the blender can hold. It's a big bad boy blender. Oh, sorry guys, let me show you. There, I'm gonna add all of the ginger. Everything I got blend up one time guys, one blending. You can blend them separate if you want, depends on the size blender. And I'm gonna fill it up with water. That will do. And at the same time, I'm gonna squeeze my lime juice. It doesn't matter if the seed go in there, yes or no, but you can try to avoid the seeds, because you're gonna strain it after. And now we're just gonna blend it on high. And that's it guys. Woo! Because it's frozen, look at it. Ooh, how thick and nice. It's really chill and cool. All right guys, now we're just gonna strain this. And if it's too thick, you can go ahead and add some water to it like this, so you can mix it a little bit. All right guys, this is where I'm at. I still have more, but basically you're gonna end up with some pineapple juice. All right, I'm gonna finish it and then I'm gonna come back. It's supposed to look somewhat like this, and you're gonna throw away this part. We're gonna sweeten that part. I'm gonna add the sugar. You can add a little bit first, mix it, and then you taste it. If you don't want it to be too sweet, just add a little bit of sugar, or you can do without the sugar, or you can add some honey. But you know, Jamaican people do put sugar in our stuff. I put sugar, but I don't put too much. I taste that, it's fresh like a rose water, so I'm gonna put the whole cup. And at this time, if you want more ginger, more lime juice, you go ahead and add it to it. Like I taste it now guys. Yes, this is it. I'm gonna share out some. Not share out, I'm gonna put some in a glass guys, and then I'll come back. Oh dear. I pour some in a container, and I have some here, and I'm gonna pour it in this glass. Look how refreshing and nice it is. There it is over there, guys. Yes. All right, more idea, more juice to come, all natural. Okay guys, my next drink after this will be my June plum, Jamaican June plum juice. All right, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye guys.